Python libraries in AI model search data for patterns from data lake for prediction. To search for patterns and make predictions using data from a data lake in Python, several libraries can be incredibly helpful. Here's a set of libraries commonly used for pattern search and prediction within AI and machine learning contexts. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Pandas. Use: data manipulation and analysis. Features: load data from various sources, handle missing values, filter and pre-process data efficiently. 2. NumPy. Use: fundamental package for numerical operations. Features: efficiently works with arrays, linear algebra, and mathematical operations. 3. Scikit-learn. Use: machine learning library with various algorithms. Features: tools for classification, regression, clustering, model selection, and pre-processing. 4. TensorFlow/PyTorch. Use: deep learning frameworks. Features: create and train neural networks for complex pattern recognition and modeling. 5. XGBoost/LightGBM/CatBoost. Use: gradient boosting libraries. Features: enhanced tree-based models for prediction tasks. 6. Prophet, Facebook's library. Use: time series forecasting. Features: capable of handling time series data for forecasting tasks. 7. Stats models. Use: statistical models and tests. Features: perform various statistical analyses and hypothesis testing. 8. H2O.ai. Use: automatic machine learning, AutoML, platform. Features: provides tools for model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and model explainability. Workflow steps. 1. Data pre-processing. Use pandas and NumPy for loading, cleaning, and transforming data from the data lake. 2. Feature engineering. Create relevant features or representations for your predictive model. 3. Model selection and training. Utilize scikit-learn, XGBoost, or deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow/PyTorch to train predictive models. 4. Model evaluation. Assess the model's performance using appropriate metrics and cross-validation techniques. 5. Hyperparameter tuning and optimization. Use tools like grid search CV, in scikit-learn, or specific libraries like H2O.ai for hyperparameter tuning. 6. Deployment. Deploy the trained model to make predictions on new data from the data lake. These libraries, used in combination and tailored to your specific problem, allow you to build robust predictive models, search for patterns, and make accurate predictions leveraging data from a data lake. Thank you.